Microsoft is offering a free data analyst certification course tailored for both students and working professionals. This initiative not only aims to enhance your analytical capabilities but also provides a pathway to obtaining a recognized certification in data analysis. So in this video, I'm going to show you the course which is offered by Microsoft. So watch till the end and comment it below so that you can get the link. Okay. And before we proceed, this is my channel Goms Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe here. And the important playlist you should see is what the Skill Up playlist, where you can see a lot of useful videos like free courses, internship opportunities, job opportunities, and various things which are required for the students. Okay, so let's dive into this important course which is offered by Microsoft. Okay, so this is Career Essentials in Data Analysis by Microsoft and LinkedIn. So you can see here that this is a free data analyst certification course which is comprehensive training in data analysis using Microsoft tools, primarily focusing on Power BI. So here the cost is free and the certification is only if you complete entire thing you will be getting the certification. So here you have few set of courses to complete. Okay, so first one is Introduction to Career Skills in Data Analytics. So you will understand what are the skills you require for the data analytics. Okay, and the second one is what you will be getting learning data analytics 1 foundation. So what are the data analytics and learning data analytics part 2, extending and applying the core knowledge. You can see here that you have 3 courses to complete, but the first course it is taking 2.5 hours time, and the second course it is 3.5 hours. Third course is also 3.5 hours, which is approximately 7, 8, 9, 10 hours of session, and it is a self-paced. It's not like you have to be here, you have to sit at one go and do it. No, you can just start learning, and whenever you get time, just go ahead and learn it. Okay, this is what the concept of Microsoft, where they will give you enough time to learn. So there is no specific deadline. It is open for the students and the working professionals. The course is actually covers a variety of essential topics that are crucial for anyone looking to build a career in data analysis. Let's just go ahead with the introduction to the career skill. So once if you just click on this particular course, so this is one course. Okay, actually you have 3 courses to complete. This is one course, and this is another course, and again this is another third course. And once if you complete these 3 courses and you have some Q&A and a knowledge check to complete, once you complete it you will be earning the certificate. So we have selected the course 1, right? So you can see what are the content in the course 1. Okay, what are they covering? Actually starting out with data analytics, you can see defining data analysis, developing data fluency, understanding how data governance impacts the data analytics, and chapter quiz. You have for each and every chapter you have a quiz. Okay, and what is BI, the value of business intelligence, and how these BI actually business analytics and BI are different. And this is like providing intelligence to the organization. You can see the complete thing, like what is the preparing the data, what is the best practice, how to adopt access and adapt the data to the transformation. So you can see that what are the various important thing which are required to become a data analyst. It's covering, there are macro video courses, video sessions which covers the entire course, entire course. Okay, so macro videos which covers the entire courses here. Okay, so this is what, and if you just click on this learn data analytics foundation 1, you can find even more. You can see that for each and every chapter you have a chapter quiz as well to complete, because this ensures that you are on track and you are learning it effectively. And you can see that there are 4,168 active participants here. Okay, so now let's just look into the data analytics foundation. You can see here you have exercise files to download, and they are starting with what is data analytics, and then they are telling you how to understand the data and key elements of the data analytics, and also they are getting started with the data project. Okay, how to avoid mistakes, how to discover beginner mistake, learning database data sets and everything, and data importing and exporting connections, getting started with the data cleaning, Okay, and the techniques for data query, Power Query, they are using Power Query and etc. And finally, to talk about is what the extending and applying the core knowledge, how you can extend and apply the core knowledge. This is what the third course which you are supposed to do, where you will be finding in-depth knowledge, like how whatever you have learned it, like how you are going to apply that. Okay, so this is like you can see here, it's understanding the noisy data and data set queries, how to build a distinct query, and you can also see the charts, like how to create an ad hoc chart, pivoting and everything, and Power BI desktop, building a dashboard with the help of a desktop. Here they have given a complete information, and Power Query tips. Okay, so how to append the data, everything, presenting data in the meeting, how you can present the data, and finally you have the exam, like finally you have to take the exam. So this is what the complete course here. So what you have to do is, what you have to allocate your time to learn this. This is what is expected from your end. Just go and enroll in this course, all these courses. For each and every course, once you complete 3 courses, you will be getting 1 certification, which will be very useful for you. Okay, so enrolling in the Microsoft free data analytics course is very easy. Just go into this particular link. Okay, log in with this and find the data analytics course, register for this, and you will be getting it. Okay, so you can see and apply here, you can find it. So the launch of the Microsoft free data analytics course represents a significant opportunity for the students and working professionals. So this high quality training at no cost, Microsoft aims to empower individuals with essential skills that are increasingly demanded in today's job market. With a focus on the practical applications and the real world scenario, this course equips participants with the knowledge needed to thrive as a data analyst. So don't wait, just go ahead and enroll in this course. You will be getting a course completion certificate by the end of this. And if you haven't enrolled in the Microsoft Ignite Challenge, I recommend you to go ahead and submit your Ignite Challenge. So here it is, I'm just showing you the Ignite Challenge, how to enroll and how to see everything. So you can find the Ignite Challenge here. Okay, this is the one, Microsoft Ignite Challenge. You can enroll it. I have already discussed about this in this video. I'll ping this video, I'll comment this video below. You can find it, and please complete this one, which will be useful for you. Okay, so thank you, take care, bye bye, have a great day and have a great week ahead.